see what that looks like in about 2 minutes. 2 minutes later, it's doing okay. I'm trying. Is this working? Whoa, that is so thin there. Can you see that? How thin that is there? I need more logs. Try again. Better. God, that was seconds I did that, so let's just... Nice. Ready to go. Temperature is good. Maybe I use my pizza dough today. It's in a bit of a state. Using the pizza dough makes me really nervous. How are you supposed to really turn it? Oh my gosh, this is not good. I mean, it is good, but I don't know. It makes me a bit nervous because I can't see it. Again. Because I can't see what's going on. Whoa, that's cooked really fast with the door on. Let me just check that it's cooked. Just a little bit on the edge there. I know everybody's been saying, why aren't you cooking with the pizza door on? And I'm like, I'm scared because I can't see all of it, but you're right, I should be cooking with the pizza door on. I'm gonna give that a try. I can't wait. That's so tasty. So the red peppers, I've fried them because I don't like uncooked red peppers. Prosciutto. Anyway, this is so nice and so tasty. So let me explain what I did with the dough on this one again. I'm really happy with the dough and the flour. The flour is the blue Caputo, 500 grams of flour, half a gram of yeast, and 300 grams of water and 10 grams of salt. And I warm proofed it in a warm room for 24 hours, and then I cold proofed it. I cold proofed it for 3 days, and then I warmed it up quickly then to room temperature to make this pizza today. And I just wanted to see if there was any difference between the pizza from having a no cold proof at all to having cold proof of 3 days. Is it worth a 3-day cold proof? Looking at the crust and the taste, I think it is if you've got the time. If you haven't, then the 24-hour room cold proof is brilliant. I have to say this is a better tasting dough, but only slightly. And you know, yeah, if you've got the time, yes. Can you see the bits where I pinched the dough? Because I didn't want it to break through. I think they're there. It didn't go through, so I'm really pleased with that. So yeah, you can save your pizza when you make a holy stretch. I love fried red pepper and ham. Sometimes keeping it simple like this just makes it, it's just easy and it's very nice. It's very nice.